Someday, if you're lucky, you're going to see a comet streak across the sky. Comets are an icy, small solar system body that, when passing close to the sun, they warm up and begin to release gases, and therefore they become visible. As they travel across our sky, they leave a long tail. Today, we're going to draw a beautiful comet in a nice dark sky. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. Please feel free to adjust the speed from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe